Well, go on, everybody. Well, go on YouTube. It's Randy Gaston here with another live stream. A wake and bake. It's a bit late. Got up late. Got some stuff done. So just here now on the stream. Also, we're revealing the person that won the giveaway. So bless up to those who have contributed, like participating in the giveaway, who were there for the overall stream. Much love to everyone. Bless up from Jamaica. Well, go on, everybody. First split for the day, first ganja for the day, and just feeling ever so blessed. So, just here, ready to start the vibe. As I said, we gave away, or what's gonna be the giveaway is this chalice right here, freshly painted and everything. So, I'm basically getting one of these, but prettier. And I'll be revealing the winner shortly. I'll just give it 10 minutes and then we'll basically get to the winner, the person that won the chalice, along with the many stuff that came with it. So a little anticipation to build up. So, best up, everybody. Well, go on, my people, well, go on, the community. Well, go on, everybody. Bless up, Nitro Nomad. Bless up, Tim S. Cheers, my brother. Looney Productions, DT, and Deep Entropy. Salute, bless up, and we'll go on. So, how is everyone today? Again, let me see here. Get this sent out. Also, for those who want to join the stream, you can go right ahead. Join the panel, I should say. Here's the link. And also, as you can see, this is my old AT&T work shirt. Decided to wear it as a little treat for you guys. See, I was one of those call center slaves. I ran away, never to go back. So yeah, bless up, Wagan, much love. Want some ganja and have a meditation. It's 11:55 here in Jamaica, Looney. I said started off the day a bit late. Thank you very much, Looney. Pride myself in my stiff building techniques. And DT, you need to work on your phone. Is it you need to do some technical work on it, or you want to work from your phone? There's something I want to work on. These lights. I need to replace like the LEDs. There are a couple of them that went bad. So when I replace the LEDs in this, and basically hook it up for some additional lighting to my greenhouse or to my plants. Lol. Well, hi, thank you for calling AT&T. My name is Randy. I can help you with all your technical difficulties, not your bills. That's one thing I will never do again. No, I give you the Jamaican coffee, Looney. No, honestly, I don't drink coffee. I try to from time to time, but it has to be really rich enough coffee, and it's once every year or two. I'm into teas now, and I've had too much coffee in my time. Too much coffee in my time. So if you want Jamaican coffee, let's see if I can. Then again, they have care packages. I can send up a care package. Come on, send out some Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee since I can't drink it. ASDT, what are your technical difficulties? Not billing. I actually was in the billing department, so I know to read a AT&T bill back, forth in my sleep. Most of the times I was doing it in my sleep. Yes, so tired, so high, eyes closed, and still remembering what the bill looks like. Okay, I just wanna basically go to Hawaii. Don't want nothing from there. Again, maybe a lava rock might be good for my meditation. I got sea rocks and seashells that represent the ocean. I need lava rocks to represent fire. Or then again, when I come to Hawaii, I'm most definitely gonna find the safest volcano. Hopefully, it's not too dormant. The safest volcano, and basically meditate alongside it. Great source of fire energy. But one of the things with the AT&T bill, most of the customers call them to make their bill cheaper and all of that stuff. So I have to look into promotions, look into what really bumped it up. So there are times I'm having four bills in front of me, and I can just look at them like one, two, three. All right, cool. All right, I notice the difference, and I keep checking on the difference. One of the first agents on the floor for the Mandeville AT&T branch, and it was fun. It was a great experience. I'm not gonna lie. The customers, good and bad, also helped shape me, and not gonna lie, I had my fun. But now I go back. Never going back to AT&T. Never, never. Nope. Not even want to look on an AT&T phone too hard. And look here, fire never done. The fire never done. The volcanoes are dormant. 'Cause anything for happen, shifting in the plates. Anyhow, that shift on a wrong plate. I expect some fire going to spew out of the volcanoes. But it's good that they're dormant, means that everyone can live peacefully. And best up to LMG, Lemon GF in the place. And here's something funny. I'm looking at the stream now. I'm looking at myself in the big ass yellow shirt. When I first got this shirt, I was like, shit, I'm going to look like Big Bird in the place. Sesame Street in AT&T. And that is true. The island is still alive. I feel like Big Bird. As you can see, guys, I have a very good love for red. Red, blue, purple, and black. One of the colors I feel comfortable wearing. Yellow makes me feel bright, like I'm a ray of sunshine. Too bright. Thank you very much. That I find of yellow though. So I'm gonna announce the winner of the giveaway. Let me pause this. That is true. So, as I said, we're doing the giveaway. Who's the lucky person that won this chalice? Well, the winner of the chalice with all 3 correct answers is Nitro Nomad. Nitro Nomad, you are the winner of the bamboo chalice. The first painted ones to be exact. So kudos to you. Bless up, my brother. Bless up indeed. So I'm gonna reveal the answers to the questions and bring up the questions that I asked yesterday. Sorry about this. Thing is lagging away. So the questions yesterday regarding the chalice giveaway were: what 2 substances are more commonly used than marijuana? Who created the hemp car that ran on hemp ethanol? And where was the original site of the 420 gathering? Dr. Wigger, I saw your response. You actually got 2 out of 3 correct. Blessings for that, but Nitro Nomad got all 3. Number 1, the 2 mostly used substance or commonly used substance other from marijuana is alcohol and tobacco. The inventor of the hemp car was Sir Henry Ford, and very detailed indeed, Nitro Nomad. The original site for the 420 gathering was a wall by the campus statue of chemist Louis Pasteur outside San Rafael High School in Marin County, California. So with all 3 correct answers, Nitro Nomad, you've won yourself a Jamaican chalice, bamboo rolling tips, 5 bamboo rolling tips, an ashtray, stickers, and a stuffer. So best up to you. We'll be speaking after the live stream. Get your information so I can have it readily sent out to you. No worry about shipping. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for supporting the chalice giveaway. Thank you guys for always supporting me. Much love and blessings from Jamaica. Yeah, going to do more giveaways. Going to definitely do more giveaways since everyone wants a chalice. Nitro, in all honesty, you go enjoy puffing on it. Don't make it slap you with too much. I don't want to feel like sorry that me give you a tool to commit marijuana suicide. So best up to Nitro Nomad, best up to everyone. There will be more giveaways. I'm just gonna be stockpiling on chalices so I can do these giveaways a lot more often. See if I can get some more seeds. I was even thinking of doing some crossbreeding myself. So who knows? Let's see what the future holds. Okay, and Lemon says, can you tell my buddy who's with me what a shaky warrior is, please? I suspect he may be one few dabs and he's like spaceman. Well, the shaky warrior is the ganja warrior, a cannabis connoisseur. We can't manage him ganja. You're not even a joker smoker. You're not even starting smoking. You're just shaky. You're falling off. You're sleeping in the streets. So, no shaky warrior. Every man is steel. But yeah, then again, also with the cannabis receptors in the body, everyone takes it up differently and everyone is saturated differently. So, yo, hush for the shaky warrior them, but when I need to step up the game. 2018 coming, new year, it's the year of green. If you don't have shakiness in you, then you're a true ganja warrior. If you have a shakiness, well, we're sending you back to the weed ganja school, the weed shinobi school. You're going to be a true weed ninja. So no shaky warrior. So best up for that. And Thank you, Lemon, for having a guest along with you. Always promoting the stream and everything. So I'm gonna play the Chronics that I was gonna play before. It's called Perfect Tree Roots and Chalice. As said, to the people them that when get them chalice, they can blaze to the song here and know their true meaning when him say yo ital in him brain. So bless up and run road, run song. Weed and come again, selector. Acceptance of the plan. We need the partial acceptance of Rastafari, and that is what Babylon are calling down. They're going to accept parts of the plan, and you know that. Because you don't accept part of the mango tree. You have the whole mango tree running in the yard, all in the mango and beer on it, you have the tree. See? So you don't have to just say, alright, give me the mango and cut down the tree. And then, if you see with the other part of the tree, it ran. No. Love the plant. Love earth. Second. Yep. I said I'm basically sending nitro and medium. This is one of the mediums. Compared to my little small one right here, you can see say, yo, this gonna have an extra kick to it. This gives me a decent donkey kick to the face. I'm gonna definitely test out the mediums and the large for myself and see how deadly they are. Oh, bless up to Looney for that. You know, wanna hear something funny? Chronics, like when I was at UTech, a brethren of mine was saying, yo, everybody hear about this youth Chronics and this and that. So Chronics was at the University of Technology. And he went by a different name and was singing a lot of heavy dancer, like Bounty Killer style of dancer. Then he moved to the more cultural thing where in actuality is the perfect thing for his career. So yeah, Charlie connects the boat for a long time. You take days, being on campus, seeing young stars rise and everything. Yo, best up to Chronix. Nice and easy. Rock me nice and slow. In the early morning, you turn me on, so let the good times roll. Say them try to separate me, no wanna grab for smoke. Give me the lighter in my brain, and let it get lighter in my dome. I know me no one, see when the sexy every time. I know me no one word in every time. I said it, give it this night, I feel up, it's the perfect dream. Let it light up in my brain, I got no words, check it for me. It's the perfect dream, strictly good for me. No spliff, no below. And the ital steamers and a chin up. This will make you settle and cease and a fist them. Upon the cold concrete, you are feeling them. As a beginner, man, start just to sit up on the cough and a grin up and laugh. Steam chalice and a joking and a smoking, we're promoting the lungs, them free of all charges. But we have to big up our smoke. The same way. Smoking chicken and it's no smoke and rain day. Now then, I grab through a red crash landing. Mayday, when a purple haze then. Yeah. Nana, I feel a kind of touch ice. You just see the whole world demand credit. After supply, so we planted. What's up, Isaac Beck? Oh, go on, my brother. They call it to Looney regarding your stream. Hit me up. Hit me up. I don't think I get all the notifications, but you can definitely check out the stream. Hit me up. There are times that I'm just here, and if you guys are on, just let me know. Just let me know. You got my email. My email is always in the description. So yo, Randy, going on live. You want check in, you want to jump on? Most definitely I come in and support, liven up the chat and make sure so everything airy. Where's my phone? By the way, to Looney, Piccolo, and Middes, and the people that are buying the chalices, you're gonna have that terpene kick to your lungs. Like you're gonna be tasting your weed a lot more thanks to the chalice. Just saying. One of the reasons why I personally love the chalice is I get to taste my herb and wow, it mixed with the bamboo is amazing. And I've been great as I've been off the YouTube thing back on promoting the website, promoting the chalices. Website is in the link below. Remember, people, spread it the word. Bamboo chalices available here online from Jamaica, made 100% organically. Yo, Isaac, best up for that. Isaac, place the link and everything on Instagram, and much love for that. You just basically, you're just basically. We're going to talk, Isaac. I don't want to give away what you're going to get, especially because of what you did. Don't worry about that. And don't worry, don't forget about you, Lemon. Like I said, support for support. I'll definitely take care of the people that show the love, ensure that the thing is running road. Don't worry, soon puff on the chalice. And I appreciate you as well, Isaac. I appreciate everyone because without you guys, I wouldn't have a stream. So, as said by Dr. Wiggler, always much love worldwide. Well on, Dr. Wiggler. Usuta ama suadena an. The first time I heard this song was in university, and when I heard this, I was rebuilding a 300-year-old Indian sword. Oh, that for those who don't know, I am multi-talented. Along with cannabis, I know how to make knives, make swords, and everything. So I was basically refurbishing a sword. I was thinking of creating a katana, Japanese style blade, because I like making that more. It's a lot of more detail and intricacy. But yo, I was thinking of making the warrior katana, engraved like the Lion of Judah in the handguard and everything. So every time I hear this song, it just reminds me of that sword that I would really want to make. And best up for that, my brethren Isaac Beck. And Nitro Nomad, authentic Jamaican chalice. Yeah, man. Hopefully, it remove our shakiness. No shakiness. And they are practice with the chalice to make sure, say, yo, when a time for take over the title of Dab Champion, I'll be more than ready. Train the lungs with the chalice. And best up Michelle R. Wagon Empress. Much love. How's it going? I'm doing well. It's going quite good. The chalices are up. The site is up. We got a winner of one of the giveaways. Nitro Nomad won this chalice for himself. That's a bigger than mine. He's getting a monster. I say no, no, no. I feel like I aided someone to kill their lungs. And I'm far from finished, boy. Wow, my eyes started to itch. So well done, everyone. All right, time to change up the flow. Let us have a reasoning. Let us have a discussion. Let us talk a little bit now. So I woke up in an off mood. Other from having the anxiety and stuff, yeah. There are times where my mood can drastically change my overall mind and everything. Dopamine falls and I'm not having the best of days. But in that, I always try to find the silver lining in everything and clarity in my any little situation. So I was thinking today and I was realizing the importance of closure and acceptance. The importance of closure for me is regarding my relationships and regarding what happened in the past with individuals, family, and stuff. Seeking closure for me is not rekindling a fire or hoping for the best situation. For me, closure is a sense of ending. I said you're closing, letting everything stop there. So for me, it's coming to terms with the emotions, either telling the person that, hey, you kind of did hurt me. It was a good, bad situation. I accept everything, but I gotta move on, and I hope you're happy. That's closure for me. When I've maturely analyzed the situation and say, you know what, it makes no sense feeling any form of hate for anyone based on a situation that maybe was for the best. You never know. There are people that come into your lives for a particular reason. Some are to build you, some are to break you so that you can know how strong you are. and some are to teach you lessons that without it you wouldn't be prepared for the life you're living now. Each day we encounter individuals that either we are allowed to help shape our lives or allowed to influence or basically energy. With that, there are times that energy is still there and you need to have it removed so that you can live your life. So closure for most should be important, and it is important for me. Yes, I know about Kabaka's album. I said I play a certain set of songs because of the copyrights. After each video, I get hit by YouTube a lot. So instead of getting the videos removed, I basically dance around the legal things. Okay, going through the chat. From Michelle R. Some people are only brought into our lives for a season. That is true. That is so true. There are some people that when either you're having a good moment or a bad moment, that's when they're there. They're either supposed to teach you that, hey, not everyone is really good for you because if you're only here for when I'm rising, you're not true. So that's the lesson you take from people that only come when you have something good to offer. They're just sponge. You can't blame them. Everyone in this world is looking out for their own self. That's the way they were taught. That's the way this life is running right now. In society, it's every man for himself, climbing that ladder, and the rat race. For me, I don't think of it such. I am just as a part of this world as anyone else. So all of what I do, say, or believe should positively affect this world. And it's not about me alone rising. I should be bringing or inspiring others with me. That's it. Some people come in your life for a reason or a season. Then you have those that come when you're at your lowest, where at the end of the day, you know you can rely on them because they know you before the fame, the glory, or when you're succeeding. Those are the people that you keep close because at the end of the day, they teach you specific, specific individual lessons that at the end of the day, once you grasp it, see, for me, when I'm having a bad moment, I can always call my dad. He lives in Canada, so it's kind of hard seeing him, but I know for a fact I can call him, and when I speak to him for an hour or even less, I feel better within myself because he's one of those individuals that are there for me during my lowest. So he isn't always around, but when he's needed, he, trust me, there are moments he surprises me with a call. So bless up for the people them, for the seasonal people them, teaching us life lessons. Isaac, I feel that I need to grow up myself so that I can be in a mature, healthy relationship because I've been very wrong in relationships and I realized so I stopped and saw it as a lesson. That is true. One of the things you can't do in this life is make a joke out of love. Love seriously affects everyone. Love is the most powerful tool. It can move mountains and shape the world. So if you're playing around with it, at the end of the day, you're just wasting your time. For most, love is a complicated. No, then again, for all, love is very complicated. I'm yet to understand it. I'm young, and before, okay, to study love, it takes 2 lifetimes and a half. because it's not just the actions, it's not just a feeling, it's a sense of, it's a state. To be in love is to be in a state of bliss, happiness beyond belief, because something or someone is filling the void that you see in yourself. With that, don't be too, don't beat yourself up, in all honesty. Don't beat yourself up about your past relations, because guess what? They were here to teach you a lesson. The people that you let enter your life and showed you love, or you gave love to them, they helped shape you. They taught you what love meant. They taught you the true value of being there for someone. Each person may teach you an individual lesson. One might teach you how to properly care for another individual. One might teach you the true meaning of loyalty. And said each person comes in your life and each person has something to offer. So even with love, each relation that you have were states where you had to learn an individual feeling state, or how to, in your next relationship, do that for the other person. I understand love based on the past relationships that I have had, the heartbreak, the having to split because it would not work out, all of that. And I look back at it and I am grateful for the individuals that showed me love. And also, they made me realize that I need to now love myself so that when it comes down to it, I can love them. Because you want the best for yourself at all times. So once you can see that, you can do that for the other person. And Michelle said, I died for my kids. I never felt that way about someone in a relationship I was in a relationship with. That's a different form of love. You can love your spouse, but I think when it comes down to kids, because they're the flesh of your flesh, the blood of your blood, that love is undying. My mom has fully supported me, been there for me, and with her backing me, with her support, I got the support of my girlfriend, I got the support of friends, but when it comes down to mom and then my family, it's a different dimension, it's a different feeling. It's more comforting to know that the person that you came from, the person that you share DNA with, blood, the person that you technically call family because of DNA relations, once that's there, yo, that's a very powerful love. So support your family, support your loved ones. You never know how far it goes. So much love for that. So yo, let's break, smoke some ganja, listen some music, then we can continue the reason and the discussion. Bless up to everyone and thank you guys for allowing me to rant as always. Bless up your boy, Roy Boy, in the chat. 420 PGH. Well, go on, my brother. Much love to everyone here. So we go and run some music and whole work a reasoning session. Empress, look what I brought for you. More wanna listen in the morning. You. She put her lips to her down and kiss it. No excuse when she knows she's slave. For she don't even care if it's much no lipstick. Now I refuse, not how she read.
She make sure I have some brains with it when I sip it. Then she roll off and roll up my thing. And let me know that anyhow I put it in my lyrics. Then only some girls won't comprehend. No, she don't agree with the policy, so she found her tree, so apologies never needed. On her property, no, it never see, so she get her peace and her release when she needed. Like it when it cure, but she have a creeper for when it green, and more DHC when she's sleeping. When we go country and we come back in, she don't ask a thing, cause she know what me bring. She put her lips to my lungs and kiss it. No excuse when she smoke, she slave. For she don't even care if it's much rolling stick. Now I refuse, that's how she rapes. She make sure I have some greens with it when I have some greens with it when I have some
Best up
greens with it
Isaac.
when I sit with.
Best up
Make
your
sure
boy
I have some
Roy.
greens
Much
with it
love.
when I have
And
some
said
greens
support for
with it when I
support.
have some
Got to
greens
see my
with it
people
when
in
I
the
roll
chat. Got to see the community involved. And here is a reason sesh. Wake and bake. All positive vibes always. Let me see who your message.
the thought of you just waiting, make me reach out safely. Navigate me, baby. I know it's on your brain. When you hear these statements and this message placement, no need to explain what I said. But our lips to my lungs and kissing.
No
No
excuse
excuse
when
when she
she
smoke,
smoke
she
and
slave.
spliff.
For she don't even care if it's much rolling stick. Now I refuse, that's how she rape. She make sure I have some greens with it when I have some greens with it when I have some greens with it when I sip it. Make sure I have some greens with it when I have some greens with it when I have some greens with it when I. So now she says she grown up and she growing her own from the grown up. From the seed to the stock to the bone drop. I know what me make the months when I show up, then I set sail. As I inhale, the surplus is not for sale. Its purpose is much more real. So courteous with how she deal it. But it increase her feeling when I reveal it. She wet it and seal it. Put
And
her
this
lips to
will
my
blunt
lungs and
and
kiss it.
oh.
No excuse when she roll, she slip. For she don't even care if it's much gold lipstick. Now refuse, that's how she rape. She make sure I have some greens with it when I have some greens with it when I have some greens with it when I sip it. Make sure I have some greens with it when I have some greens with it when I have some greens with it when
Great, them want to touch upon something. Speaking of the Empress, them. Speaking of the Empress, them. Sorry about that movement and shaking and everything. And thank you very much for the AT&T shirt. Yeah, old work shirt. Like I said, thank you for calling AT&T. My name is Randy. How may I help you today? Oh my God, we're talking about your bill. What's going on with your bill? Yep, the script is still fresh. Right there for a year. Was a good consultant, ain't gonna lie. Did my best, got awarded for customer service, all of that good stuff. So maybe that's why I know how to interact and get everyone happy. Yeah, speaking on the Empress them, I'm hearing some details about the cannabis license in Jamaica. It's now being a male room. A lot of males are here, but not a lot of females. We have a female that is basically the top contender in the cannabis industry right now, but it's kind of a fight out thing. She really wants to retain the crown for herself at times. But regarding cannabis, if you see a chick where go through a menstrual cycle, you know them period pain and cramps. So to her, you don't need to smoke. Have an edible. Have some oil. The pain will go away and it will help with the overall cycle. Makes the flow a bit easier. Trust me, me test this out on my girlfriend. Oh, you mean? I will not be beaten by a biological um, response. Nobody can beat me. Oh, woman, I go through period pain and me I get cussed out. No. For that, me stay high and make sure say she high too. But yes, cannabis does help with menstrual pains along with the cycle as well. So encourage the females to be a part of this industry. We want it to not just be a bunch of old guys growing cannabis in their backyard. We want it to be normal people like you and me in their 20s, in their 30s, 40s, men, women. Not saying children, because children means under 18. This is a over 18 plant. And this is for medicine. So yeah, have it become so normalized that it's welcoming. Let us now welcome people into cannabis industry. Welcome females, welcome everyone, old, young, no matter. We need to promote the community as a community, not as a divided front where you have dabbers, bong rippers. No, it's everybody that smoke ganja and everybody that smoke ganja. Then again, everybody that use cannabis and everybody that use cannabis. Because not everyone smokes for health reasons. So, with that, I can run some more music. Vibe a bill up, soon start up the coche, blaze up my chalice. So, run one of my favorite by Vibes Cartel, World Boss. Contact me in a wine. Cause it gotta take a miracle. Okay, kill all notifications. Something came in and scared me. One thing with Jamaican weed, you have enough seeds we can stone people, but some are good seeds. I ain't gonna lie, I'm going to be planting a lot of these random stuff that I get to see if there's actual fire hidden in this mess of bush. In all honesty, I don't believe weed being good unless it doesn't have any seeds. Because, as I said, most of the energy gets diverted to the seeds, bringing down the THC level and all that stuff. So, not a big fan of seeds, but as I said, let's see if I can grow it properly, bring out the fire potential, and enjoy this for myself. The rest I can just sell and all of that stuff, or make into edibles. So, by the way, what time is it? It's chalice time. So, yo, bless up everyone. Chalice time, yes? And that was lovely. Continue heat up the chalice because chalice not hot, people. That was lovely. So bless up to everyone. Yes, I most definitely need some hemp wick. Yes, sir. New year, new stuff. Gotta make that money first. So remember, guys, bamboo chalices for sale. Share it that everyone that wants one, anyone interested can know that it's out there. Handmade bamboo chalices from Jamaica. Gotta earn that money. Wow. Wow. Mm. Best up loyal to the soil. By the way, Nitro Nomad, hush. The child is going to slap you. Oh God. Whew. Wow. I just thought my head went and then started spinning, somersault, and then jumped back and landed like, yay, perfect. Oh God. Yeah. Chalice. Take away all shakiness. Let's see if we can take another hit. Man, I shake. I'm afraid of the chalice. No, no shakiness. No shakiness. Woo. Yep. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling it. Wow. Give me a second, people. Wow. Wow. I'm not dying. I'm just feeling the high, yo. Bomba. Wow, John Oster. Chalice don't play, people. Chalice don't play. I need to breathe. Wow. I tell you I'm high right now. Very high right now. I'm on the clouds right now. And the guests on high right now. But seriously, the child is big. Oh God. The second wave. Best up Big Ed 19. 61. Stone to the bone. Okay, I'm stone to my cellular matter. My bone marrow is stone. I'm I think there's a frenzy going on in my body. Everybody be like, you know what, we're gonna sit down and just watch TV. Wow. And the spliff is actually just mellowing it out. Like I'm high and the spliff is just bringing it to a level. And bless up to Firebird. Much love, my brother. You're holding it down and just having a good time. Almost got uber high off of the chalice. I tell you, hmm. Change your pace, change your song. Yes, and congrats to the winner, Nitro Nomad, for winning this chalice. Said it's bigger than mine, so it's gonna be a real heavy hitter. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you, Nomad, for entering the giveaway. You've won yourself a really nice piece. Also, gonna be getting more chalice so I can do giveaways. I got them for sale in the Etsy website. It's there in the description below. I said chalices for all, chalice for the Christmas, and chalice to shake out the shaky warrior. Me actually, I feel the shaking right now, like my body just, yeah, I like it. Nice high, nice high. Well, I feel slow mo. Like everything is just, yeah, man. Why don't so? Hey, fed till I'm falling. Till I'm falling down. So I'm gonna be ending the stream now. Ooh, I was actually gonna end the stream. Sorry about that, Firebird. Maybe the next stream from now, a couple hours from now. But best up to everyone that was here, that has participated, showed love, showed likes. Best up from Jamaica. I said, Natural Nomad, the winner of the chalice giveaway, is getting this bad boy right here. Answered all three questions correctly and will be getting that sent off to him. Also, bamboo chalices for sale on the ET website. The link is in the description below. Share it to everyone that you know would want one. Best up to everyone from Jamaica. Best up to everyone worldwide. Much love and much peace. Randy Gaston out.